Welcome to SG Investment. Our channel is dedicated to helping you make informed decisions about your money and to guiding you on your journey towards financial success. Subscribe now and join our community of like-minded individuals on the path to financial freedom. Charlie Munger Investment Principles. Charlie Munger is a business magnate, lawyer, and investor. He is the vice chairman of Berkshire Hathaway. Munger has been a close friend and business partner of Buffett for over 60 years. He is known for his wit and wisdom, and is often referred to as the Oracle of Omaha right-hand man. Munger has also been a director of Costco and Wesco Financial Corporation, and is the chairman of the Daily Journal Corporation. He is considered one of the most successful investors in history, and is known for his value investing philosophy. Charlie Munger Investment Principles. Here are investment principles Charlie Munger has espoused over the years. 1. Only invest in businesses that you understand. Munger has emphasized the importance of being able to understand the business and its industry before investing in it. He believes that investors should stick to what they know and not try to invest in something they don't understand. 2. Look for companies with a strong competitive advantage. Munger is a proponent of the idea that companies with a strong competitive advantage, such as a strong brand, a proprietary technology, or a large market share, are more likely to be successful in the long term. 3. Avoid overpaying for a company, even if you believe in its long-term prospects. Munger has emphasized the importance of not overpaying for a company, even if you believe in its long-term prospects. He believes that paying a fair price for a company is more important than buying a company with great prospects at an inflated price. 4. Be patient and wait for the right opportunity. Munger is known for being a patient investor, and he has said that it is important to wait for the right opportunity to invest, rather than trying to invest in something just because it is popular or in vogue. 5. Diversify your investments to reduce risk. Munger has emphasized the importance of diversifying your investments to reduce risk. He believes that investors should not put all their eggs in one basket, and that diversifying your investments can help to mitigate the risk of losing everything. 6. Be willing to hold on to investments for the long term. Munger is a proponent of the idea that investors should be willing to hold on to their investments for the long term, rather than trying to time the market or make quick profits. He believes that investors who are willing to hold on to their investments for the long term are more likely to be successful. 7. Avoid trendy or faddish investments. Munger has said that investors should avoid trendy or faddish investments, and instead focus on companies that have a proven track record of success. He believes that trendy or faddish investments are more likely to be a passing fad and not a long-term investment. 8. Learn from the mistakes of others. Munger has emphasized the importance of learning from the mistakes of others, rather than repeating them. He believes that investors should study the mistakes of others and learn from them, rather than making the same mistakes themselves. 9. Continuously educate yourself and stay curious. Munger has said that investors should continuously educate themselves and stay curious about the world around them. He believes that investors who are well-informed and curious are more likely to be successful. 10. Have a margin of safety in your investments. Munger is a proponent of the idea that investors should have a margin of safety in their investments. He believes that investors should not invest all of their money in a single stock, and that they should leave a margin of safety to protect against potential losses. Conclusion. In conclusion, Charlie Munger is a highly respected business magnate, lawyer, and investor, known for his wit and wisdom, and as the vice chairman of Berkshire Hathaway. He is considered one of the most successful investors in history and is known for his value investing philosophy. Charlie Munger has shared a set of investment principles throughout his career that emphasizes on understanding the businesses, looking for companies with a strong competitive advantage, avoiding overpaying for a company, being patient and waiting for the right opportunity, diversifying the investments to reduce risk, being willing to hold on to investments for the long term, avoiding trendy or faddish investments, learning from the mistakes of others, continuously educating oneself and staying curious, and having a margin of safety in investments. Munger also stresses that investing is not a science, but an art, and one should be willing to adapt and adjust as they learn more. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.